Yo, g'day guys. Welcome to your fifth Java tutorial, I believe it is. Last tutorial we learnt making the program interactive. Sorry about that. Yeah, we learnt making the program interactive by using the scanner class, and we were able to let the user type in the word and print it out. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. In this tutorial, instead, we are going to be making a calculator, so you'll be able to add two numbers together. Basically, using sort of this same concept, but instead we want this to be an integer, because we're adding two numbers, not words. So yeah, um, okay, let's get started then. So we can sort of, okay, we'll actually comment this out. We can delete this. Make sure you sort of remember sc.nextLine because we'll be using that just in a second. So first things first, we are going to be making our variables that we want to store. So we need three variables, one for the first number that we want to add, and the second one for the second number that we want to add, and one last one for the answer. So it's looking pretty similar to, I think it was like the second tutorial or something. But instead we can allow the user to type in the numbers instead of just writing code for it. Instead, writing the program to do it instead. So if that made any sense, we are going to let the user enter a number. So first of all, we're going to prompt them to enter a number. So enter your first number here, and then using the same sort of thing, we can go num1 equals sc.next int. Next int allows the user to store an int. The last tutorial we used next line instead. So this is going to get the user input and store it into num1. So we are gonna copy and paste this so we can retype it, but I'm sort of lazy. Enter your second number here, and all we have to do is change this to num2. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But we're missing one step, which is producing the answer. So answer equals num1 plus num2. And now all we have to do is print out the answer. Sorry if I went a little too fast, guys. But I'll leave you with a sort of code challenge after this. So anyway, let's run this code. Enter your first number here. 1, 2, 3 plus 6, 9, and 192 is the answer. That is correct. So we made a little calculator for ourselves. So let's try it again because this is so fun. Plus 2, 152, awesome. Woo, our first calculator, guys. So we can spice it up a bit by going system.out.println. You, oh no, the answer is, and now we can do 12, oh shit, better run this first. 12 plus 6 equals, the answer is 18. Whoa, that is pretty amazing. So, you can change this to like minus, plus, whatever, divide, yeah, multiply, take it away if you want. You can change that to all sorts of things, and yeah, I think that's about it. All we really learnt in this tutorial is this next int like that. This is the only new line of code that we learned in this tutorial. Yeah, so to run through it, this just imports the scanner class, which we need this class for the user to type in input, which we can use it here. This is our class name. This is our main method that the program will look for when the program runs. This is creating a new scanner object, and so we can actually use what's inside here. I know the object and stuff is a bit like, you probably won't actually understand it at all, but that's okay for now. We'll definitely learn about that later. And these three variables are used for storing different parts of the code. So this one's storing the first number, second number, and the answer. And yeah, these print statements are just prompting the user, like letting them know what to do, and answer, just printing out the answer. So I think that's about it. Now I'm going to leave you with a code challenge. Alrighty guys, so here's the code challenge. This is me giving you the chance to apply the code that you just learnt, and you can try it out for yourself and finish this challenge that I'm about to give you. It's what we just learned. It's the calculator program, but with division instead. So enter a number here, sure, 10. Enter another number. This is what you want to divide it by. So 2. The answer should be 5. And this next line is the only extra thing that you might have problems with. So what it's doing is saying this number 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And this is sort of the only line that is the challenge, really. So just to prove to you guys that I wasn't just printing out random numbers, divided by, I don't know, 12. So 69 divided by 12 equals 5.75. Yeah, so if you guys get stuck, you can check out my website, and I should have the solution up on there. But, or maybe in the comments section, just leave a comment, and I should be able to get back to you. Or someone else might help you out. Or someone might just spoil the whole code and just leave the answer in the description. But anyway, this is the first challenge I'll give you. I'm gonna leave many more to come, so it would actually give you a chance to apply what you've learnt and then try it out for yourself, instead of actually just retyping what I've shown you throughout this tutorial. Yeah, so this hopefully should grave into your memory a little bit more. So yeah, good luck guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.